Scout 5399, 25 right, taxi Charlie, hold short of Charlie 3.
25 right via Charlie, hold short Charlie 3, Scout 5399.
Scout 5399, release at 7 after.
Roger that, 7 after, Scout 5399. Scout 5399, excuse me, we went on to Bravo. Can we go on to Charlie 5, then Charlie?
Scout 5399 affirmative.
Roger 5 right, excuse me.
Scout 5399 affirmative.
Roger 5399. And ground for Skywest 5399, we're going to be shutting down an engine while we wait. If you don't mind giving us a 10-minute heads up in case anything changes.
Scout 5399, roger, yeah, just be ready to move about top of the hour.
Welcome, Skywest 5399.
Skywest 5399, you almost ready to taxi?
We are ready, Skywest 5399.
I'll get right back to you. Skywest 5399, you're going to follow Spirit Airbus at Bravo. Charlie 3, Bravo Bravo.
Following the Spirit Airbus at Bravo, Charlie and Bravo, Skywest 5399.
Skywest 5399, monitor tower 12395.
Over to tower, Skywest 5399.
Skywest 5399, LA, sorry, quick about 2 more minutes here with
Roger.
Skywest 5399, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 25 right, Skywest 5399.
Skywest 5399, wind 240 at 12 gust 20, on after Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 25 right, Skywest 5399.
Skywest 5399, contact SoCal, departure, have a good day.
Departure, enjoy your day, Skywest 5399. 5399. 5399, good day.
On board with us today. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on even when the sign is off. Please keep your seatbelts fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Please also keep the aisle and galley areas clear. Use the restroom located in your cabin when possible. Remember that bags may have moved around during takeoff. Please be careful when opening overhead bins. Cannot use your laptops and other large devices. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase for $8. We also have a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. Will soon be coming through the cabin with a variety of complimentary snacks and beverages. We also have alcoholic beverages available for purchase. As a reminder, we're now using contactless payment. You can find our menu as well as instructions on paying with miles, QR codes, or PayPal on united.com/snacktime. If you are a United Mileage Plus Chase card member, use your card to get 25% back on in-flight purchases. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol that you might have brought on board with you is not permitted. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight over to Phoenix.